Hi, this is Wasabi, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Seiko Presage Tuxedo SARX045. I got the watch from Genome Watch in Singapore, and it came to me via DHL. Simple box with the normal guarantee as well as the manual. It was nice for Genome to also provide a polishing cloth with the package. In Japan, this watch has an MSRP of 70,000 yen. Flat sapphire crystal protects the dial. The movement used is the SARX045 automatic movement by Seiko. This watch has a cabochon style crown, i.e. a small sapphire jewel at the tip of the crown. Because of the size, it is a very comfortable watch to wear. It sits well on the wrist, and a lot of people will find this watch very comfortable and suited to their whatever their wrist size is. The H-style bracelet is also looks a bit different than normal. It looks very old school as well. Anyway, thank you for listening and watching this. More watch hobby videos coming up soon. Bye.